Welcome to Diane's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Diane Bertolin of Unimore Capital Corporation, the #1 mortgage choice for homebuyers. Now, here's your money tip.
Okay, today we're going to talk about 3 easy but crucial repairs you must make before selling your home. Making your house as presentable as possible is the best way to achieve a quick and profitable sale. However, you don't have to make expensive repairs that will force you to raise your asking price. Often, inexpensive but highly noticeable improvements, combined with good staging, will get you the buyers and the sale you want. Here are the 3 most important things to fix before listing your home. Number 1, tired flooring. One of the first things a buyer will notice as they come through the front door is worn carpeting, scratched hardwood, or scuffed linoleum. If they don't want the hassle or expense of replacing old flooring, that could kill the sale. Replacing carpet, lino, and refinishing hardwood is an affordable way to seal the deal. Number 2, water stains. To buyers, water stains mean plumbing problems. Even if you fixed the plumbing issues long ago, take the next step and refinish any stained walls or ceilings so buyers don't make negative conclusions. Number 3, aging grout. Yellow or cracked grout can make buyers think moisture is an issue. Don't worry about replacing the tiles, just get the bathroom or kitchen regrouted. Not only will it look better, it will immediately set buyers' minds at ease. So there you have it. I've just given you the 3 repairs you can make before selling your home that will pay off in the long run and seal the deal. For more information on how to sell your home fast and for top dollar, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Diane's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Diane today at 519-967-1422.